Alright, travelers, we are back at Fun Spot America Atlanta to meet up with some fellow ACE members, American coaster enthusiasts, and to ride ArieForce 1. There she is. Not much to this video, just wanted to come out and have some fun. Let's go, let's get it, let's get some coaster therapy, shall we? Me and a couple other people just ran Arie like three times. She's still great. She's running a little slow today, and they're on one train. But if you've been to Fun Spot America Atlanta, you know that really doesn't matter. This thing lives as a walk-on. Of course, James, our resident Arie hero, is here today as usual. Told me he is almost to 13,600 rides on this beautiful monster. What an achievement. Way to go, James. I'm not being sarcastic. James is absolutely awesome. All right, so this is Michael, y'all, fellow American coaster enthusiast. I assume you're American.
Yeah.
He's got a channel himself on TikTok, I believe.
Yep. Coasters.haunts.darkrides.
Coasters.haunts.darkrides. Follow it, or I will find you.
All right. Thank you.
He might. I don't know this guy. Seems nice, though. Follow it. Good times. You know, the only real problem with Fun Spot Atlanta is really there's not a whole lot to do. And I get it. It's a small park in a pretty rural area, but there needs to be more attractions here. The stuff they've got is decent. Well, Hurricane is Hurricane, but other than that, it's like carnival rides. They've got Arie, for God's sake. They need to build this place up. They need to put more investment into it if they plan to get a return on that monster over there, in my opinion. Now, I know most of their money and the money that paid for Arie is coming out of the Orlando parks anyway, but still, they obviously showed this place a serious amount of love with ArieForce. Why not show it anymore? Or refurb some of the attractions or do anything. This place needs more love. Like this zip line, for instance. It goes all the way out over the Turtle Lake here, but it's never been open when I've been here. I assume it hasn't been open in years. Back when this was Dixie, whatever it was called, before Fun Spot bought it, but open that. That looks crazy. Also, is anyone else kind of creeped out at how the go-kart track is leaning? Because it's super duper definitely leaning, and obviously it's probably structurally sound or it wouldn't be open, but that is unnerving. Well, I guess we can ride Arie again. I wish there was more exciting stuff here. And I still like it here, but again, needs more. By the way, I've probably mentioned this before, but they immortalized James here. 13,600 rides. Insane. Multiple angles.
I like to live on the edges. Thank you. Are we like?
What's going on back there?
No, put our hands up the whole time. Hands the whole time.
These people with cameras on roller coasters. There we go.
Sequence engaged.
That's Iron Gwazi Queen on the internet. Go find her. Nice Saturday drive. Weather's beautiful. The country is in shambles, but we have a roller coaster. Arie has picked up speed. It's definitely warmed up now. But on that note, I think I'm about done. Again, that was pretty much all I wanted to do today. Met up with some friends, met Michael, Iron Gwazi Queen, a couple of other people. James was here, of course. But other than that, this is going to be a really short video because that's about all there is to do. So, fun spot, get more stuff. And with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share with your ex, share with your grandma. Be real annoying about it. And until we meet again, travelers, Godspeed.